Name: common monster, Thanatosaurus horribilis. Length: 4.57 meters, 15 feet. Height: 1.65 to 1.83 meters, 5.5 to 6 feet. Weight: 500 to 650 kilograms, 1,100 to 1,430 pounds. Diet: carnivorous. Lifespan: 50 years. Speed: 2 legs. Walking: 4.8 to 8 kilometers per hour, 3 to 5 miles per hour. Running: 56 kilometers per hour, 35 miles per hour. All fours. Walking: 4.8 to 8 kilometers per hour, 3 to 5 miles per hour. Running: 64 kilometers per hour, 40 miles per hour. Average swimming speed: 4.8 to 11.3 kilometers per hour, 3 to 7 miles per hour. Maximum swimming speed: 32 to 48 kilometers per hour, 20 to 30 miles per hour. Taxonomic classification. Domain: Synthetica. Kingdom: Neoanimalia. Phylum: Chordata. Class: Biotechnus. Order: Terraformes. Family: Thanatosauridae. Genus: Thanatosaurus. Species: T. horribilis. Binomial name: Thanatosaurus horribilis. Carter, 2020. The common monster is a highly adaptable and intelligent creature that belongs to the genus Thanatosaurus, which means death lizard. It is a genetically engineered organism that resembles a theropod dinosaur but has many unique features that make it a formidable predator and a potential threat to humans. The common monster has a slender and muscular body with hollow quills lining its back and tail. These quills are not only used for display, but also for communication. The common monster can clack its quills together to produce a rattlesnake-like rattle. They can also produce a variety of sounds, ranging from low-frequency infrasound to high-pitched shrieks. The common monster uses these sounds for communication, hunting, and defense. For example, it can use infrasound to stun or disorient its prey or use shrieks to scare off potential rivals or predators. The common monster also has a pair of pit organs on its snout, similar to those of snakes and some lizards. These organs allow it to detect the infrared radiation emitted by warm-blooded animals, giving it an advantage in low light or dark environments. The common monster also has excellent vision, especially in the ultraviolet spectrum. It can see the UV patterns on the quills of other common monsters, which are used for identification and mating. The common monster also has a keen sense of smell and taste, which help it locate and track its prey. The common monster is a fast and agile runner, capable of reaching speeds of up to 64 kilometers per hour on 4 legs. It can also use its long and flexible tail as a whip, or a weapon. The common monster has 4 limbs. The forelimbs have long and curved claws, which are used for grasping and slashing. The hind limbs have a unique arrangement of toes, similar to those of owls. 3 toes face forward and 2 toes face backward, but the 2 backward-facing toes can swing forward from the side and can also be used to grasp objects. The common monster can use its feet to climb trees, rocks, or walls, or to grip and tear apart its prey. The common monster is a carnivorous and opportunistic hunter, feeding on a variety of animals, such as mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, fish, and insects. It can also scavenge from carcasses or human garbage. The common monster has large and powerful jaws, with sharp and serrated teeth. It can deliver a strong bite force, capable of crushing bones and shells. The common monster is also venomous, which can cause paralysis, pain, or infection in its victims. Skeletal structure. The skeletal structure of the common monster is a marvel of both natural evolution and genetic engineering, designed to provide maximum strength and agility while maintaining a relatively lightweight frame. Its bones are hollow, similar to those of birds, which reduces overall weight and enhances its speed and maneuverability. However, these hollow bones are far from fragile, they are reinforced with a natural matrix of microcellular carbon fibers, making them incredibly strong and resistant to breakage. The skull is robust, housing powerful jaw muscles and large venom glands connected to the upper front teeth, which are specialized for delivering venomous bites. The forelimbs are long and muscular, with human-like wrists that offer an unusual degree of flexibility and strength, allowing the creature to walk on both two legs and all fours. The hands are equipped with 4 fingers, including opposable thumbs, each tipped with sharp claws for grasping and slashing. The hind limbs are equally impressive, featuring a unique arrangement of toes that enable the common monster to climb and grasp objects with ease. The feet have 3 forward-facing toes and 2 backward-facing toes that can swing forward when not in use, aiding in movement and climbing. The tail is long and flexible, providing balance and serving as a powerful weapon, tipped with stingray-like spines for additional damage. This sophisticated skeletal structure, combined with numerous air sacs throughout the body, makes the common monster an agile and formidable predator, capable of thriving in a variety of environments. Musculature and sensory organs. The common monster's musculature is highly developed, providing the strength and agility necessary for its predatory lifestyle. Its muscles are particularly robust in the legs and tail, enabling it to run at high speeds, leap great distances, and deliver powerful strikes with its tail. The forelimbs are also muscular, with a structure that allows for both bipedal and quadrupedal movement, giving the creature versatility in its locomotion. The wrists and hands are exceptionally strong and flexible, allowing it to grasp and manipulate objects with precision. This muscular build is complemented by a network of air sacs throughout the body, which not only reduce weight but also enhance respiratory efficiency, supporting its high-energy activities. In terms of sensory organs, the common monster is equipped with an array of advanced features that make it an exceptional hunter. Its large eyes provide excellent vision, capable of seeing clearly at distances up to 3 miles and detecting a wide range of wavelengths, from deep ultraviolet to far red. This allows it to perceive UV patterns and polarized light, giving it a significant advantage in various lighting conditions. The pit organs on its snout detect infrared radiation, enabling it to sense the heat signatures of living creatures, even in complete darkness. Its ears are highly sensitive, capable of detecting sound frequencies up to 400 kHz, allowing it to hear the faintest of noises. Additionally, its sense of smell is incredibly acute, comparable to that of bears, enabling it to detect scents from miles away and through various obstacles, such as water or ice. This combination of powerful musculature and advanced sensory organs makes the common monster a formidable and efficient predator, perfectly adapted to its environment. Feet. The feet of the common monster are a marvel of biological engineering, designed for versatility and efficiency. Each foot has 3 forward-facing toes and 2 backward-facing toes, which can swing forward and backward, providing exceptional grasping ability and stability. The backward-facing toes function similarly to a bird's zygodactyl feet, allowing the common monster to grip branches, rocks, or prey with remarkable dexterity. When not in use, these toes can swing forward from the side, aligning with the other toes to aid in movement and balance. This unique arrangement enables the creature to climb trees, scale rocky surfaces, and even grasp objects with its feet, much like a primate. The toes are equipped with long, sharp claws that enhance their ability to hold onto surfaces and tear apart prey. This combination of flexibility, strength, and sharp claws makes the common monster's feet highly effective tools for both locomotion and hunting. Hunting/feeding and communication/social structure. The common monster is a highly efficient and opportunistic hunter, employing a combination of speed, stealth, and sensory acuity to track and capture its prey. It primarily feeds on a variety of animals, including mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, fish, and insects, but it is also known to scavenge from carcasses or human garbage when necessary. Utilizing its exceptional vision and infrared detection, the common monster can locate prey even in low light conditions or dense foliage. It often employs ambush tactics, using its camouflage and silent movement to get close before launching a swift and powerful attack. Its venomous bite, delivered through specialized teeth connected to large venom glands, can incapacitate prey quickly, causing paralysis and tissue necrosis. Additionally, the common monster can spit venom to blind or disorient its prey from a distance. Its powerful jaws and serrated teeth allow it to crush bones and shells, making short work of its meals. The creature's keen sense of smell helps it track wounded prey over long distances, ensuring it rarely misses a meal. In terms of communication and social structure, the common monster is primarily a solitary animal, with interactions between individuals being rare and typically limited to territorial disputes. Despite its solitary nature, it possesses a complex system of communication, utilizing a wide range of vocalizations, body language, and chemical signals. The creature can produce sounds ranging from low-frequency infrasound, which can stun or disorient prey, to high-pitched shrieks used to scare off rivals or predators. The hollow quills lining its back and tail can be rattled together to produce a loud hiss-like sound, serving as both a warning signal and a means of communication with other common monsters. The crests above its eyes are brightly colored and aid in individual identification. While the common monster does not form social groups, it exhibits strong parental care, with mothers fiercely protecting and nurturing their young until they are capable of surviving on their own. This combination of advanced communication abilities and solitary behavior makes the common monster a fascinating and formidable creature in its ecosystem. Habitat, seasonal behavior, and defense mechanisms. The common monster is an incredibly adaptable creature, capable of thriving in a wide range of habitats, from dense forests and swamps to coastal areas and mountainous regions. Its versatility is further enhanced by its ability to swim proficiently, allowing it to exploit both terrestrial and aquatic environments. In colder climates, the common monster undergoes physiological changes, such as gaining fat and becoming stockier, to better insulate against the cold. This adaptability ensures that it can find suitable living conditions and prey in almost any environment. Seasonally, the common monster may exhibit migratory behavior, moving to different areas based on prey availability and environmental conditions. During periods of food scarcity, it can enter a state of torpor, reducing its metabolic rate to conserve energy until conditions improve. In terms of defense mechanisms, the common monster is equipped with a range of formidable features that make it a challenging adversary. Its skin is reinforced with a natural matrix of microcellular carbon fibers and covered with thick, durable scales, rendering it nearly impenetrable to conventional weaponry such as gunfire and blunt force. This skin is also resistant to extreme temperatures and electrical shocks, providing additional protection against environmental hazards and potential predators. The creature's venomous bite is another powerful defense, capable of causing severe pain, paralysis, and even death. It can also spit venom to blind or disorient attackers from a distance. Additionally, the common monster's tail, tipped with stingray-like spines, can be used as a whip to deliver painful strikes. These defense mechanisms, combined with its advanced sensory capabilities and physical prowess, make the common monster a nearly invincible predator in its ecosystem. Energy requirements and sensory overload. The common monster has significant energy requirements due to its high activity level and powerful physique. As an apex predator, it needs a substantial amount of food to sustain its muscular build and support its rapid movements, whether running, climbing, or swimming. This necessitates frequent hunting and feeding, making it a relentless and opportunistic predator. During periods of food scarcity, the common monster can enter a state of torpor, reducing its metabolic rate to conserve energy until prey becomes more abundant. This ability to slow down its metabolism helps it survive in harsh conditions, but prolonged periods without food can weaken it, making it more vulnerable to attacks and environmental stresses. Despite its formidable sensory capabilities, the common monster's heightened senses can also be a double-edged sword. Its advanced vision, capable of detecting ultraviolet and polarized light, and its acute hearing, sensitive to frequencies up to 400 kHz, make it an exceptional hunter. However, these enhanced senses can be susceptible to sensory overload. Bright lights, loud noises, or strong smells can overwhelm its sensory organs, causing disorientation and temporary incapacitation. This vulnerability can be exploited by potential prey or human adversaries, using intense stimuli to create a window of escape or to mount a counterattack. Understanding and managing these sensory overloads is crucial for the common monster's survival, as it navigates the complex and often hostile environments of its ecosystem. Reproduction and lifespan. The common monster reproduces asexually, laying eggs that are surprisingly small for such a large creature, roughly the size of quail eggs. These eggs are a mottled green and brown, providing natural camouflage against the forest floor or other nesting environments. The mother exhibits strong parental care, guarding the nest and tending to the eggs until they hatch. She incubates the eggs by curling her body around them, using her own body heat to maintain a consistent temperature. Once the young emerge, they are nurtured and protected by the mother until they reach a size and strength sufficient to fend for themselves, usually within the first year of life. The common monster typically reaches sexual maturity at around 10 years of age, at which point it is fully capable of reproducing and continuing its lineage. This early period of maternal care is crucial for the survival of the offspring, as it ensures they develop the necessary skills and strength to thrive in their environment. The common monster has a remarkable lifespan, living up to 50 years in the wild. Throughout its life, it remains a solitary creature, with interactions with others of its kind being rare and typically limited to territorial disputes. This long lifespan, combined with its formidable physical and sensory capabilities, makes the common monster a dominant and enduring presence in its ecosystem. Venom. Common monster venom consists of cyanurahemamyotoxin, CNHMT. Biochemical composition: CNHMT is a cocktail of various enzymes, peptides, and proteins, each contributing to the venom's lethal effects. The enzymes include proteases that break down cellular structures, phospholipases that disrupt cell membranes, and hyaluronidases that facilitate venom spread by breaking down extracellular matrix components. Mechanism of action: the venom targets multiple systems simultaneously. Nervous system: neurotoxins in CNHMT block nerve transmission, leading to paralysis and convulsions. They may act on ion channels or neurotransmitter release, disrupting normal neural function. Muscular system: myotoxins cause muscle fiber degradation, resulting in weakness, spasms, and potentially rhabdomyolysis, which can lead to kidney failure due to the release of muscle breakdown products into the bloodstream. Circulatory system: hemotoxins affect blood and blood vessels, causing bleeding, clotting disorders, hemolysis, destruction of red blood cells, anemia, and shock due to the loss of blood volume and pressure. Venom delivery: the venom glands, situated in the common monster's head, are biologically engineered to synthesize and store CNHMT. These glands are connected to hollow teeth, allowing for efficient envenomation. The common monster can inject venom directly into its target or spray it as a defensive mist, providing both offensive and defensive capabilities. Synthesis and regulation: the venom synthesis from ingested substances suggests that the common monster's metabolism is highly specialized. It likely has a series of enzymes capable of converting dietary proteins and other molecules into the venom's components. The immune system's role in regulating venom production could imply a complex balance between venom synthesis and self-protection, ensuring the common monster does not succumb to its own toxin. Adaptive advantages: the presence of such a venom confers several adaptive advantages to the Raycon. Predation: CNHMT allows the common monster to quickly incapacitate prey, making hunting more efficient. Defense: the venom serves as a deterrent against larger predators and competitors. Territoriality: venom potency could be a factor in intraspecific competition, with more potent venom conferring higher status or intellect. Additional facts: Hollow quills lining its back and tail can be rattled together to produce a loud hiss-like rattle. Pair of crests just above the eyes aid in identification of individuals. Pit organs on the face just above the lips detect the infrared radiation of anything living. Large eyes allow it to see clearly about 9 times as far as humans can, allowing it to spot and focus in on an object at a distance of about 3 miles. Can perceive color vision akin to that of a human. Monsters can also perceive wavelengths of light ranging from deep ultraviolet, UVB, to far red, 300 to 720 nanometers, and polarized light. Its UV vision can detect 5 different frequency bands in the deep ultraviolet, all of which are similar to mantis shrimp vision. Has a nictitating membrane in its eyes. Sensitive ears can sense sound frequencies of up to 400 kHz. Small holes on the tips of upper front teeth are connected to a pair of large venom glands, allowing it to inject venom into its prey when it bites, and also allowing it to spit venom up to 5 feet, causing blindness and permanent eye damage if it comes into contact with the eyes. Gills just below the ears on the sides of the neck are used for breathing in water, fresh, brackish, and salt. Large frills are apparent just before each gill, much like a frilled shark, and the first 2 are tipped with large keratinous spines. Very skilled swimmers, tail greatly aids in swimming. Forelimbs are long in comparison to its body and are muscular. Wrists are unusually human-like with an abnormal degree of flexibility and strength. The structure of the wrists allows it to walk in a quadrupedal stance as well as a biped stance. Hands are also very human-like with 4 fingers on each hand. Thumbs are opposable and allow it to grasp objects and pick things up. All fingers are tipped with long, sharp claws used for defense and hunting. Back limbs are strong and muscular. Feet have 3 forward-facing toes and 2 backward-facing toes. Feet act like a bird's feet and allow them to hold onto objects such as branches. Backward-facing toes can swing forward when not in use and aid in movement. Much like a primate, common monsters can use their feet and opposable toes to pick up objects. Monsters usually walk on 2 legs but can switch to 4 for quicker movement. This greatly aids in catching prey. They can also climb trees if prey is in the tree, also able to jump. Skin is reinforced by a natural matrix of microcellular carbon fibers and covered with scales of varying sizes that are extremely thick, effectively making it impenetrable to conventional weaponry such as gunfire and blunt force. Skin is water and heat resistant. Resilient to fire. Very adaptable to almost any environment. In colder climates it will gain fat and become stockier. Very vocal, can produce a wide range of vocalizations. When on all fours, it walks and runs on its knuckles.